far. Too far. Okay. Let's bring it in here a little bit. Trying to roll into the new year. Apparently I rolled in a little too quick there. Welcome to Faithfully Fit Kitchen. My name is Sarah, and if you're new here, you may have noticed that I have a backlog of about 3 years of videos from a homesteading hustle. While homesteading is still a large part of our lifestyle, I decided to make a shift. I have an incredible passion for fitness and wellness, and it's something that is incorporated into every day of my life. And I figured, you know what? It's time to share that part of my life and make a little shift here on YouTube. Now with this content change, I will be sharing not only like my fitness, what I like to do for fitness, but we can talk about all kinds of things fitness related, whether it comes to macros, good, clean recipes. We can also talk about different workout styles. We can talk about your whys. Why is fitness important? I'm going to share with you my journey as well as my current fitness goals and why I think fitness is incredibly important as a believer. So with this channel comes 3 pillars of information. Number 1 is faith. Faithfully. Faith is the core of our hearts. When it comes to how we operate in this world, we have a set of lenses. My lenses come from a faith in our Creator. In time, I plan to share my testimony on that and what that looks like in my life. I am not a perfect Christian by any means. I have plenty of areas that I need to improve on, and there's lots of things that I still need to learn and have learned, and I'm willing to share all that with you. And of course, we've already touched on the fitness pillar. That is going to be a wide variety of fitness information, and I might dish that one out to you a little more regularly. In the past, I've posted about once a week. I might give you some little fitness tidbits multiple times per week. So you can keep that in the forefront of your expectations. And of course, the kitchen part. That's where the food comes in. I am a foodie at heart. I have always been somebody who has been really drawn to different types of food, and I will give you my experience with that as well as recipes. I actually love to create my own recipes. In the past, I haven't been great about writing down how I'm creating recipes, but that's something I'm working on too. And I'd love to at some point launch a blog or a website that includes some of the recipes that I've made and that I'll be sharing with you. I will share everything from super clean and healthy recipes to lean recipes, meaning it's a little bit different than clean. I'll explain the difference there too, to help work towards certain fitness goals and achievements and weight loss. As well as the naughty recipes that I've shown in the past. I have shown all kinds of recipes from, different types of breads. I do love sourdough, which is a good recipe too. That's not naughty. Sourdough is always a good option. But things like cinnamon rolls and brownies and, or even just savory dishes like soups and stuff like that. So I am more than happy to share those things because I thoroughly enjoy cooking and being in the kitchen. And that is something that is definitely going to be a big part of this channel as well. So if you want something a little more daily from me, you can go over to Instagram at Faithfully Fit Kitchen. Over there on Instagram, I try to post at least one thing daily, whether it be recipe or something in the gym or just something on our homestead as well. I'll still be sharing some random photos and things from our homestead there because that is also, of course, a big part of our lifestyle. So thank you so much for being here today and for waiting around to see what I have for 2025 and this shift in the channel here. Cheers to trying something new.